Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to share or transfer airtime on MTN. Okay, so guys, before we proceed, I'll share if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment to the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. So guys, let's proceed. So first, you need to head over to your phone dealer, okay, then type *321#, then select your MTN and proceed. So now, as you can see, welcome to airtime data. Okay, so right now what you need to do now, select airtime share, which is number 1. So now you need to select transfer airtime, which is number 1. Transfer airtime. Then now you need to input the receiver's phone number. So let me input my second MTN number over here. 913351873 So this is my second MTN number. I've inputted the which I want to send to as receiver's number. Now enter the amount. I want to send 15 naira, so enter 15 naira. So let's wait. This is loading. So now you need to input your pin. Let me pause this video while I input my pin. So I've inputted my pin. Okay, so as you can see, it says yellow, you have gifted 15 naira to 091. Okay, as you can see guys, I've successfully shared or transferred 15 naira to another MTN number. Okay, so before I conclude, so guys, that's how you do this. Before I conclude, I'm sure if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment sections, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Stay safe and God bless you. Peace.